Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable SSH on the Voxel Netgear firmware for R7800, and I have the guide that I downloaded from the Voxel website. So let's follow it up. So first of all, what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to go to your router's IP address /debug.htm, and just to make sure, just be on the Voxel firmware, and here's the supported routers which they support in the firmware here. And enable, first of all, click enable telnet, and launch this program called PuTTY, and type your IP address of router and click on telnet, which is on 423. Click open and enter the password that this is the same password as if you were to enter for your when you log into your router on the web interface. And so the first thing we have to do, according to this, so these are some commands that we have to run. So first, let's make a directory. Because I already tried making it, so ignore the errors that says about the file exists already, and then we just jump into that directory after creating it. So since we're in directory, we're going to create an RSA private key using drop bear. So just copy paste the command. So it's going to generate a key. So I've already generated a key, so that's why it's giving that error, but ignore that. And that's where I was. So now we're going to output the public key. I'm going to paste this. So the key has been outputted now. Just to make sure. Yep. Okay, so now we make another directory called, I believe this, I already have this directory also. Yes, I do. And then you guys run this command. Basically just follow this readme file if you guys want to. And then we go ahead and just, and now we need to convert the private key to the open SSH format. Key root to RSA. Okay. Now you guys do need a pen drive to back up your private and public keys, and to check where your pen drive is mounted. But you have to exit the directory. So type cd /root, I believe. Okay, yeah. You type cd /root, and now you type ls. Okay. I have no idea why that's not working, but never mind. Just type cd and then type mnt/. So yeah, there you go. You have to type cd, you get back to root and you type cd mnt, and then you see when we press ls and to list the directories in the mnt folder, there's sda. So that's the variable that you guys are going to replace here when you guys are running this command. So we're going to go here. Let's get back to the directory that we were first. So we're going to type cd /root. We're going to jump into the cd /tmp/ssh. That's where we were. Now we'll press this, but I'm going to change this sda 1 to just sda. There we go. And now we run this command here to change this to sda1. Sorry. There we go. Working. So remember, this is the pen drive that you have mounted to your router. So you have to make sure to run this. You go to root, you go to cdmnt, then you press ls, and it'll list it. Okay, so now we're gonna run a program called PuTTY. You guys can download from the internet. So let's do that. Fire that up. So now we click on conversion. We import key. So now you guys need to plug your pen drive from the router to your computer. I'm gonna go to this PC. We're gonna go to the pen drive we have over here. Go to SSH, and these are the keys that you have exported. So we're gonna select the ID _RSA and wait here, and now optional key correction command, what do you wish? Okay, so this we just leave like this, no problem. Press save private key. So I'll just save it pen drive private key, and we'll save the public key. Oh, sorry, I just misspelled both of them. That's okay. Real private key. Okay, that's okay. So we're done here. So okay, now let's get back to the now let's check if the SSH is working fine. So open the putty again, click SSH 422. Now the private key that we saved previously from here, save private key, you guys are gonna insert the key into the connections, SSH, authentication, and you guys are gonna browse that key as in the format .ppk. Open up, press open. Now you type root, and there you go. You guys are into your router on the R7800 via SSH. So there we go. The SSH has been enabled in the your R7800. Enjoy. And I'm not going to do this part over here. You need your own drop your keys. It's optional, so I'm not going to do that. And you might want to reboot your router afterwards. And that's it. And you will have access to the SSH to the R7800. Thank you for watching my video, and it was a little bit confusing, I know, but I'm trying my best. Thanks.